Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syafrial Daffa will present the financial report analysis of Astra International. First, we're gonna talk about comparative analysis of the balance sheet and profit or loss statement. In balance sheets, I highlight the four descriptions that has significant changes at 2020. Increase in cash, decrease in net account receivable, short-term loan, and accounts payable. Based on annual report, the amount of cash is increased by 95% from 24.3 trillion at the end of 2019 to 47.6 trillion at the end of 2020. The change occurred after the receipt of the proceeds from the sale of investment in Permata Bank in May 2020. The second is trade receivables were down by 42% to 17.1 trillion, mainly due to a decline in the heavy equipment, mining, construction, and energy division. The third is short-term borrowing decreased 58% from 15.4 trillion in 2019 to 6.5 trillion, largely from the group automotive and financial services businesses. The last is trade payable, which decreased 45% from 30.1 trillion at the end of 2019 to 16.5 trillion, largely comprised amounts owing by United Tractors, including amounts owing to the Komatsu Group which were secured by letter of credit, amount owing by Astra Group sales operation for car and motorcycle purchases, as well as amount owing by Astra auto parts for raw materials and finished units purchases. Next, in profit or loss statement, the critical parts are net sales and earning after taxes. The group's consolidated net revenue for the year decreased 26% to 175 trillion, with lower revenue received in most business segments except agribusiness and property. The group profits for the years in 2020 was 18.6 trillion, a 30% decrease compared to 26.6 trillion recorded in 2019. The decline in sales and profits cannot be separated from the people's inability to buy products due to COVID-19 pandemic. Next is trend analysis. It's also called time series analysis. It helps a company financial managers to determine how the company is likely to perform over time. Trend analysis is based on historical data from the company financial statement and forecast data from the company performance or future plans. In here, both the balance sheets and profit or loss statement experience a downward trend. This can conclude that most likely the trend into 2021 will also experience a downward trend. The last is the common size analysis. This is an analysis that is prepared by calculating each amount in the income statement and balance sheet as proportion of total sales for the income statement or the total assets for the balance sheet. That's all for my presentation. If I make a mistake, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.